Namaste children, good to see you again. I am here again to teach social science for you children. Children, how are you all? Yes, fine. Shall we do warm-up activity before move on to topic? Yes, get ready children. Yes. Use this two finger, thumb finger and pointer finger. Okay? Like this, the same we have to use the thumb finger, pointer finger, the right hand and left hand. Okay, now we are going to rotate the fingers. Okay, do like this children. It will improve your memory power. Okay, have you enjoyed the activity? Good. Shall we move to the topic? Tell me your topic name. Coastal plains and islands. Okay. Okay children, tell me your topic name. Social science grade 4. Our topic is lesson number 7, the coastal plains and islands. In your previous class, we have studied about coastal plains. Today we are going to learn about highland. Okay? See this image children? See this image? Yes. This is island image. Okay. Let's have a small recap of the previous class. Are you ready children? Yes. See, this is western coastal plain, eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain divided into 3 parts. Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast. Eastern coastal plain divided into 2, Northern Circus and Coromandel coast. Margie will ask question to you children. Are you ready to say the answer? Yes, good. Questions. Say true or false. Listen carefully. The first question is the eastern and western coastal plain of India meet at Lakshadweep. Is it true or false? Your answer is false. Yes, eastern and western coastal plains of India meet at Kanyakumari. Yes. Next question. Kochi is an island of the western coast of India. Is it true or false? Tell me your answer. Your answer is false. Why it is false? The Kochi is a port. Okay. In the port we can load it and unloaded everything. Okay. Good. Your third question. Puducherry is a port on India's western coast. Puducherry is a port on India's western coast. Your answer. Tell me your answer. False. The Puducherry is a port on India's eastern coast. It's not in the western coast. It's good. Your fourth question. The northern part of the eastern coast is called the Malabar coast. Tell me your answer. False. Why it is false means the Malabar coast lies in the western coast. Okay. Fifth question. The eastern coastal plains are wider than the western coastal plains. Is it true or false? Your answer is true. The eastern coastal plains are wider than western coastal plains. Eastern coastal plain is very good children. Shall we move to the topic island? Margie will bring a real island here. Wait here children. Just a few minutes. I will bring your real island. Wait for some time. Just close your eyes. Open your eyes children. Let's see real island here. I am bringing island here children. See this island? A small piece of land surrounded by water. Yes, this landform is called what? Island. Okay. The small piece of land. Can you see the small piece of land? Yes, surrounded by water. The four sides surrounded by water. That is called island. Our topic is island. Today we are going to see that. We are going to discuss about islands. Ready? Shall we move to the topic? Yes. Definition of island. What is island? Okay. A piece of land surrounded by water. Look at the image. This is the land. A small land. A piece of land surrounded by water. The four sides surrounded by water. See this image? This is the land. Yeah, a piece of land surrounded by water. Such landform is called island. தீவு. Okay? Okay children. See this image? இந்த picture பாருங்க. நாலு பக்கமும் இந்த நிலப்பரப்பு தண்ணியால கடலால சூழ்ந்திருக்கு. இத வந்து தீவுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. இதுதான் island. Okay? Good. A piece of land surrounded by water. Such landform is called island. This is our India map. The great India outline map. Okay? Where is the island, children? Can you guess the island? Yes. This is island and these are also islands. Okay. These islands covered by water on four sides. Okay. The island in the Arabian Sea, the island in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The island in the Arabian Sea. This is Arabian Sea on west, Bay of Bengal on east. Okay. Island in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, which are near the Indian land, are part of India. These are all part of India only. Okay. Andaman Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. This island name is Andaman and Nicobar. Clear? Okay. Next, Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. This is Lakshadweep Island. Okay? Understood? This is Andaman Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. See this image children. This is Andaman Nicobar Island. See the images? Yes, good. Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman group of island. Okay, Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman group of island. Car Nicobar is the capital of Nicobar group of island. Okay, which is the capital of Andaman Island? Port Blair. Which is the capital of Nicobar Island? Car Nicobar. They are 300 northern islands are known as Andaman Island. They are 300. How many islands? 300 northern islands are known as Andaman Island. The southernmost, listen, southernmost part of the island is called Indra Point. The southernmost. This is the southernmost point. Southernmost point part of island is called Indra Point. Which is the southernmost part? Indra Point is the southernmost part. Okay. Clear children? This is the image of Lakshadweep Island. Where is the Lakshadweep Island? The Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. This is the image of Lakshadweep. The Lakshadweep lies in the Arabian Sea. They are 30, only 30 islands, some of which are inhabited. Inhabited means anga makkal irukka maataanga. Okay va? Silla islands la makkal irupanga. Okay? They are 30 islands, only some of which are inhabited. Okay? They are very close to Malabar coast. These islands very close to Malabar coast. Clear, children? Good. Shall we recall their topic? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Port Blair is the capital of Andaman group of island. Car Nicobar is the capital of Nicobar group of island. There are two groups of about 300 islands in the Bay of Bengal. There are two groups. Okay. Totally 300 islands are there. The northern islands are known as Andaman Island. The Andaman Island lies in the northern part. Okay. The southern island or the Nicobar Island. Clear? The northern part island is called Andaman. The southern part is Nicobar Island. This island form a union territory of India. Do you know about the union territory? It's under control the central government. Okay. The southernmost part of the island is called Indira Point. Already I showed the image Indira Point. This is the southernmost part of the India. Next, Lakshadweep Island. There are 30 group of islands are there. Some of which are inhabited. Okay, they are very close to Malabar coast. These islands form a union territory. This island also union territory only. Okay, many of these islands are made of deposit of skeleton of animal called coral. இந்த ஐலாண்ட்ஸ் என்ன இருக்கும்? செத்த விலங்குகளோட எலும்புகள் என்ன அந்த கடல் தண்ணியில் பதிஞ்சு அது ஒரு ஐலாண்டாக மேக் ஆகிடும். நிறைய அனிமல்ஸ் இருக்கும்ல, அது இறந்துரும்ல, அதோட எலும்புகள் தான் நிறைய இந்த ஐலாண்ட்ஸில் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ மெனி ஆஃப் திஸ் ஐலாண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் மேட் ஆஃப் டெபாசிட்ஸ் ஆஃப் skeleton. டெபாசிட்னா புரஞ்சி இருக்கிறது, தேங்கி சேமிச்சு இருக்கும். அந்த அப்படியே that is coral. Such island are called coral island. This is the image of coral. See this image? It's one kind of plant. It looks like one kind of plant, but it is coral. It's a deposit of skeleton of animal called coral. Okay, this is the image of coral island. Shall we see real coral image? Yes. See here, this is the image of coral. Look here carefully. Many of this island made of deposit of skeleton of, what is mean skeleton? Elumbu koodugal of animal called coral. Such islands are called coral islands. Children, I hope Children, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you all understand the concept. Isn't it? Yes. Dear parents, make your children to see this video and make them to understand the concept. Children, Namaste, Ram Namaste. Maj is given one worksheet to you children. You have to finish the worksheet and send it in our WhatsApp group. Namaste, Ram Namaste children.